Friends, and in this video we will show you how to add pronouns on your Instagram account. So if this topic is interesting for you, let's go to the watching. And so right now we will open our Insta app and go to the profile page after clicking on the last icon at the bottom panel of the screen. Later, to add pronouns for our bio, for our user, let's tap on this central edit profile key. And we have the special option like pronouns. Let's tap on it. Later on, using this upper bar, we can set the needful pronouns. So I will set she. Later you need to confirm your choice, choosing the same word from the list, so she and her. Let's tap on the first option. And you can also activate the option like to show only for your followers. I will tap on it as an example. And to save all of the changes, let's pick on the down and down again. Amazing, let's refresh our profile and you have smoothly set your pronouns for your account. Let's check it. So after going to the same edit profile section, you will have your pronouns here and cancel. I forgot to say that if you want to delete your pronouns, let's pick on the same bar and click on the cross opposite the pronouns you want to delete. Let's do it, and after to save these changes, also let's pick on the down, this blue key. I will also disable the show to followers only option 2 times. And well done. So guys, I hope that this short tutorial was interesting and useful. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Good luck!